hello. How are you today? It's the people here. And have I got a bigger thing for you, Gary? She's the drop of the balls. Right here, look at this. Come here, stupid. Oh, look here, here. Look. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm very happy with the Gary progress because it's been, we're near that 36. And that means just over a month. And the Gary has been going very well. I'm happy with the Gary. Peter with the patati also going very well. I have not slept all night. My wife, she snore, and she got ácido, so she blow bad breath all over my hatch every night. I can't take her, so I sleep on the couch. And because I sleep on the couch, this morning I got up, I make a big dent in the couch. And now it's got the dent on my body. So now I've been going up because when the people come over now, they're gonna see a big dent of my body. I'm not happy at all. Shout out to you who support me, and I thank you very much for everybody. And to keep this video going, we need your support. All right, grazie a tutti, and the bigger, better, big better thing coming along soon. Ciao for now. Keep refreshing. Ciao.